have so much power. This machine is just out of this world. So impressive. I didn't expect that. I'm honest with you. I really did not expect this. AMG will have the lap record with this car on the Nürburgring. So hello guys and welcome back to another video today featuring the all new C63 SE performance. We are starting with our first drive. You see with the cool animation in front of us. We have the latest C-Class AMG here, the most controversial AMG of all time in my eyes. You have the key right over here. We'll be putting it inside here. The interior is actually very familiar to what we have already seen with the C63. Let me put the seatbelts on. We'll be driving it right now in beautiful Spain. Yeah, we will be heading down towards our location to the hotel. Starting the car in comfort. Now listen up. And now it's ready to go. And as soon as I put it into drive, we can start to drive the new C63 SE performance completely electric. This is just so weird. Just keep in mind, I mean, it's a C63S and we are driving it fully electric. It's just so crazy. But all in all, we just finished an amazing day here at the racetrack.
Yeah, pushing here, don't push too much. Then we have some power step by step.
At this point, special thanks for flying us out to be experiencing this car. We'll be sharing so much with you guys. This is the first drive and we will be heading down towards the Spanish Autobahn. Let's go. So we are now leaving Ascari racetrack here and unfortunately we don't have a lot of range left. Ooh, amazing scenery. So we will be starting with comfort right now, and as soon as we drive here in comfort, the first thing I instantly acknowledged is that there's a huge difference between comfort, sport and sport plus finally. Because driving it in comfort, it's more smooth than what we had back in the days with the old one. It was just so stiff back in the days, but now it's so smooth also with the steering. We still have a lot of direct steering here. Guys, main focus is definitely a sporty driving since we are here in the C63S. Get up to sport now, but with sport we don't have the sound on. But still, I just want to give you an insight here. It now feels way sportier. Look at the steering. Also way more stiff. I feel that instantly. Now let's switch it to Sport Plus. I'm slowing down a bit. Ooh. Downshift. Whoa. We have so much power. Whoa. The car, look, first things first, the car is extremely heavy. We're talking plus 2,000 kilograms. But this thing is unstoppable. If I did that with the old C63, the tires would slip in the rear and we would have no traction at all when I do the full throttle. But here with this one, you see that? You have the performance that you want instantly. That's just so impressive. I'm honest with you guys. I'm a huge petrol head, okay? And if I think about a C63, it has to be a V8. But this thing, this machine is just out of this world. As soon as you push it, it moves forward. We have so much power, it pushes you in your seat. And it drives even better than the C43. Unfortunately, we don't have that much of sound. Downshift. No, I'm sorry, no sound at all. It's a bit disappointing, but performance-wise, this thing is so impressive. So impressive. I didn't expect that, I'm honest with you. I really did not expect this. Oh, it drives so well. Because there's one fact, there's one thing I have to mention. If you drove the C63 without being an expert back in the days, the old one, if you were an unexperienced driver and were sitting behind the wheel of his old C63, no matter if it was the 6.2 or the 4-liter V8, you had no chance driving fast with it. Because like controlling the car, having the performance of 510 horsepower back in the days was very difficult. The car was slipping. You had the rear wheels instantly sliding away. But with this one, even a child could drive this. It's so easy. Wow. And you see, we gained a lot of range throughout driving like this. When you drive a bit faster, we had like 1/4, 25%. But now it's up to 50% almost. Yeah, since we have a nice atmosphere right here, I also have to... Ooh, you saw that? I was concentrating a bit too much on the center display and it helped me. The assistant helped me guiding here in this curve. You see that again. You also see that by the light on the streets as soon as I slip a bit more forward to the left lane here. So impressive. Guys, there's one thing for sure. AMG will have the lap record with this car on the Nürburgring. They will definitely beat a lot of models with this car. I wasn't sure when I saw the official numbers talking about the weight of the car, because it's extremely heavy if you compare it with the old one. But now having 680 horsepower, the boost mode, no lag with the turbochargers, no slipping, you have 680 horsepower instantly pushing you forward. It's just so impressive. A lot of effort that AMG has put into this car to make it perfect. But if you ask me as an AMG fanboy and petrolhead, is this still a C63 comparing it with the old legendary C63s? I would say no, it's not. But it's a whole new car, it's a new character. It's... Now it's a bit louder. You hear that? You hear a bit of the sound, but like if you ask me, is this still comparable to the old one? It's definitely not. You have no sound. You have sound, but it's not like in the old ones. No pops and bangs, which is sad. But instead of having that, you have a lot of performance and a lot of power with this car. So what would you guys prefer? Would you prefer a car with less performance but more sound, or something that beats everything on the Nürburgring but not that emotional? It's really something I would love to hear from you guys. All in all, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's drive inside the new C63 SE Performance. I'm really looking forward to read all your comments. Yeah, and I'm promising you, I will be driving the C63 SE Performance on the German Autobahn, and we will be doing the VMAX. We will be doing some proper starts, some 0 to 100 runs, some nice sound drivings. I will also mount the GoPro outside so you can hear a bit of that. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you all an amazing day. I will be back.